Walmart is having a nationwide clearance on Shark vacuums right now. Here's everything you need to know. There's 4 variations that are all 90% off. I'm going to pop them up right now with bar tags so you can ask employees to find them for you. The first one normally $200 found most commonly for $25. The second one is $250 most commonly found for $44. Third is $289 most commonly found for $50. Finally, $120 most commonly found for $34. If you're lazy like me and don't want to leave the couch, you can use the clearance software in my bio to find them for you.